Hey, beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Excuse my morning voice pretty much whenever you guys see this video. But I just wanted to basically show more of my face. My name is Jasmine. I reside in Mississippi. I'm 34 years old. I also have a 16-year-old son. Most likely you saw a video in regards to that. I do work a 9-to-5 job as a distribution specialist. I started my online journey back in December 2017. And now I'm really tapping back into digital marketing, selling digital products. Yes, I do other things as well too, like being a health and wellness distributor, also being a credit referral agent as well too. And inside of this academy course, yes, it talks about credit repair, and of course you can repair your credit on your own. But I just want people to know that yes, I am associated with a credit repair company. I was already associated with the company anyway before actually tapping into this amazing course. Now, yeah, and I got a whole nother page for that as well too. But needless to say, when I tell you, if you are a mom, a 9-to-5 worker, and you are tired of the grind and you want to try something different, when I tell you this academy course is everything, it's definitely everything. It is a Christian-based academy course because it has faith-based modules inside of it, motivation, inspiration, all of that good stuff. Now, we know sometimes we can be demotivated, and we need that extra push. I'm telling you, tap in today. If you want to grab my free ebook, basically read the caption below and comment ebook, E-book, and I will talk to you guys later.